My name is Miss Donnie. Today's fun physical activity we're going to do is a nature hunt. So, all you'll need is a bag, a marker, and a list. So, you can make a list of things that you'll find in nature. Of course, with the grown-up, you'll go outside in your backyard or anywhere around your community or your neighborhood. And you'll gather different things that you can put into your bag. So some things that may be on your list could be a butterfly, a big rock, a worm, or maybe some leaves. So once you've gathered your things, you're going to take your list and check off all the things that you were able to find. Once you've gathered all your things and put them in the bag, take them home to your family members and share the things that you were able to find in nature. And for the things you weren't able to find, think about some places that you may see these things. Have fun. Bye. I hope you guys really enjoyed your nature hunt. What were some of the things that you put on your list that you chose to look for? Did you want to see a hole in a tree? Did you want to see worms? Did you want to see butterflies or beetles, ants? Once you've checked off all your things, be sure to share everything that you found with your friends and your family members. Thanks for going on this nature hunt with us.